Alright, you guys gotta wait till 10:30.
I was wondering why I had extra food rations, otherwise it's more people missing.
You guys want to be in the
You guys didn't know about you?
It's really funny how you just kept going.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Through the Norwegian loop.
Awesome way to enter a park.
It's pretty cool, right?
It is, yeah. It's very cool.
Do you know if they built the escalator first or the ride?
I would imagine the escalator first.
Is there an escalator credit count?
That looks like a fun little twisted hill. Oh, there's two of them. And then a corkscrew.
I was reading, I think it might have been the RCTV post where they said they originally wanted two corkscrews.
I don't know what that says, but it's very funny.
We got sky coasters here too.
I can't take him seriously. There's a lot of
Just need to keep it
dog.
Get in there, get in there.
That's good. Put it right in front of your camera.
You mother.
You
This guy.
Vlogception. Vlogception.
Oh, there we go.
I just said it's a Mexican.
Here we go. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Oh! Jeez! Oh! Woo! Ouch! Oh, Christ! Woo! 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 Okay. That was different.
Yeah, the elements are really interesting. Not in a bad way, they're good.
Oh, that first one's a bit painful.
Yeah, there's a little kink.
If they don't let us, it's not a good ERT unless we can climb on the ride, right?
It's gotta be part of the deal.
I just want to see the lawnmower up close. That guy's cool. As you can see, when you get access to a restricted area, all the Thuzy cameras come out.
Like rock.
Oh, hey, mushy mushies.
We found some mushrooms. You want some?
Yeah. Look, I don't have my shoes on, I'm gonna eat some mushrooms.
Fill your pockets, lads.
Typical Mark Martinez.
Everyone knows I'm from Florida.
Florida man is in the house.
Right, so special access here in the hydraulic room. It's pretty cool, huh, Gooch?
Yeah.
Right, we're on the lookout for more calendars.
I like this.
Oh, right, they're right off guards.
One of the warmest places in the park.
Yes, I would say that's technical drawing. Pressure looks good. Oh my god. Oh, that overload! That one's up high. Okay, this is the big winch, is it? The drum. Hello.
Hello.
Oh wow. Looks like the launch track, and the cable's pulled into that hydraulic room over there. Pretty cool.
Oh, that was through this tube because you're not
Yes.
Oh, so that's the hill. That's a hill, and this is the course. No?
Oh, the fun party for that.
Who's over there?
That looks so slow.
Whoa! Hang on.
Just getting warmed up. Just getting warmed up. Hey, here we go. Speed Monster at Tusenfryd. That's alright. That's alright.
I don't feel like I'm getting like heated.
No, it's not got quite as much strength as maybe I hoped, but maybe it'll get a bit faster. It's early doors. It's a bit wet, right? Ah,
You did the intro already.
I didn't do the intro.
Oh, well,
that's
here
a
we
good
go.
reminder.
Here we go.
Morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel.
Hey, got it right this time.
I got it right this time. And welcome back to another vlog, now from Norway. We made it to Norway through hell or high water.
13-hour bus ride. We arrived at 8:30 for 9:30 ERT, and we are tired. We're a little sore and cramped from being on the bus.
We're a little
but we're
wet now
here
as
and
well.
We're riding.
Yeah, but we made it. We made it. That wasn't the plan, right? 13-hour bus journey was certainly not the plan.
No.
Ferry cancellation meant, yeah, it was either that or miss the park. We chose not to miss the park, and I think that's a good move. So, yeah, like I say, we've already been in for ERT. We had a couple of rides on Storm the Dragon Legend, which is actually really cool. That's the new Gerstlauer double launch coaster.
That was better than I expected it to be, for sure.
Yeah, enjoyed the hell out of that. It was, it's an interesting layout. Those elements are a bit different, right?
It's very weird. I mean, it's like Infinity Coaster meets launched like invert, like impulse coaster. It's very, very weird.
It is strange, but it's a decent ride. It's a decent ride. And then we've done Speed Monster 2, which is a Intamin hydraulic coaster.
Yep.
We also go a backstage tour in the hydraulic room, so that was pretty cool as well.
Yep. That was
And
good.
yeah, that ride, Feels like it's running a bit slow this morning, probably because of the weather.
Not quite as much zip as a ride like Storm Runner. You know, it feels a little bit more like Cheetah Hunt.
Considering it's called Speed Monster.
Yeah.
It's lacking a little bit of speed right now.
Right.
Just about to get my 550. Woo! And we're going to do it on
Thunder Coaster.
Thunder Coaster, which is the Woody here. Vekoma Woody, one of only 2 left.
With Timberliners.
Yeah, with Timberliners on it
Which
now,
you love.
so that's pretty unique. I'm not a fan of the Timberliners, but you know, it's what it is. Thunder Coaster for 550.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I mean, this has a hidden potential to be the best ride in this park.
Potentially.
Or it could be really bad.
I don't know. Storm's pretty good, so it'll have a lot to do to beat that, but yeah, Thunder Coaster. Let's go. She knew what she was doing.
Okay, that was funny.
Doggo! He's getting a 2-lap special. 2-lap special. Hey. He was going so fast, he just overshot the brakes.
There you go. There you go.
Yo.
Are you doing a video for you?
Hi, Alex.
Yeah, mine's fine.
Here, hold on a second. Let me open up my shorts.
If you get some photos of me. I'll run around to this end back here, get some of you.
I didn't touch anything, so it's still recording.
That's what she said. This is a tiny, teeny weenie. Danny riding the teeny weenie. And you look so excited about it.
For every time you...
Normally it's the other way around. Normally Danny's other half rides the teeny weenie.
Oh, it's so much better than steel benches. New number one.
So we're just wrapping up the day here at Tusenfryd, and I'm very aware I've hardly filmed any talking to the camera vlog footage today, but yeah, all in all, pretty decent park actually. I wasn't too sure about Storm or Speed Monster at the start of the day in the ERT, but it was a bit cold and a bit rainy back then, so yeah, probably didn't get them at the best first thing, but actually as the day went on I enjoyed them both a lot more. So yeah, decent park, nothing outstanding like I say, but I think we made the most of it. As you can tell, it's started to rain again now, so yeah, we're heading out. We're jumping on the coach, and we got a trip ahead now to Liseberg tomorrow. So 2 days at Liseberg, 3 nights in the Grand Curiosa Hotel there. So actually really looking forward to that. And actually after the last night on the coach, I think we all need a bit of time in the hotel now. So yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, remember to leave a comment down below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time guys, from Tusenfryd, enjoy the ride.